Alright, let's get to it. So this one is for the bloggers out there. So if you're looking for a way to be able to restrict parts of your contents, let's say you want users to be able to access the first 2 3 points, then they have to unlock for them to continue viewing, then this one's for you. So let's just get straight into this demo. For the enthusiasts, I leave a link to the full source code in the description. So you can go ahead and get started. If you're a member, you already know most of what we do with Mpesa integrations. But for the tutorial, don't worry about it. It's going to be dropping soon. So if I go ahead into the code, let me go ahead and remove the function that is checking if this user is a paid user. And if I go ahead and refresh this, I should be Gucci. The whole blog should be available to me. But if I go back into the code and go ahead and uncomment this and refresh this page, as you can see, I'll just be able to see the first few posts. I can still read the initial post. I can read point 1, but boom, there is the paywall. So I wouldn't be able to continue with this no matter what I do. This pop-up cannot be closed in any way. So I have to pay for this. Let's just go ahead and make that transaction possible. So and once I just click pay with M-Pesa, I will be able to receive the SDK push. Just like that. And the system is now actively logging for the transaction status. And once that updates as a success, then we should be able to have a refresh and have access to this content. So I already have the confirmation. So that message is successful. So that payment has gone through, and boom, with that the page refreshes and you have access to the content. So that was just what I wanted to show you guys. This is what I've been working on, because I know I've been out for a while. So I wanted to give you something to be able to actually consume. Then yeah, so be sure to let me know down in the comments if you want to see any improvements to this system before the tutorial drops. But that was it for now. So go ahead, check out the particular GitHub repository down in the description. Be sure to like and subscribe if you're new here, and if you're a member of the channel, be sure to be turned on. What did I just say? Be sure to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any content. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
Fast little bit, code is running slow.
I know everything.
That's a happy stack overflow.
Everybody work in a cubicle, which owns a Mac and a wireless to miracle.